Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Sam and today is going to be another super quick video and it's going to be a fall protein smoothie. All right, so I'm just gonna place you guys down here so you can see everything that's going on. Okay, perfect. So today we're gonna do a fall protein smoothie. A couple things that are going to be included in it are just pureed pumpkin, a little bit of pumpkin spice, just some Greek yogurt, vanilla. We got also a little bit of milk. We got some pancake syrup here. Now it does call for just like plain maple syrup, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use this. But I don't like to use a lot of this because it does have a lot of artificial sugar. So what I like to do instead, or not in replace of it, but just in addition, is I like to use overly ripe bananas. Once the bananas are super like ripe, they become actually really sweet, and I like to use these in like I said, I don't want to say in place of the syrup, but as a little bit of extra sweetener without using the recommended amount of syrup. Then after that, what else did I not mention? Oh, and a little bit of protein. So I got just vanilla protein powder, nothing too special for that. Also, if you guys didn't see in my last video, I did post a video of how to make a super easy smoothie in a mason jar. So if you guys did not see that, I will post that in the description below so you guys can take a look at that. But we're actually going to use a mason jar, super quick, easy cleanup. So let's go ahead. Also, to make it more like creamy, if you want to do a frozen banana, I just forgot to freeze this one, but I do suggest a frozen banana. All right, so now for the syrup, I did make this actually the other day and I was like, oh, I don't think it needs syrup. And I didn't put in a lot of syrup because I wanted it to be healthy. And to be honest, it didn't really taste like a pumpkin pie. So we're gonna see today if I kind of sweeten it a little. Does it taste more like that pumpkin pie rather than just like a pumpkin smoothie, I guess you could call it. But let's go ahead, let's see. All right, so this is what it looks like, and we got kind of like the pumpkin pie style thing. So let's go ahead, let's take a sip. All right. Oh wow, that maple syrup really adds a huge difference. Okay. Absolutely. Do not skimp on the maple syrup. I know you might want to try to be a little bit healthier, but don't put so much. Don't put a lot. But trust me, it really does make a difference. It makes it taste more like the pumpkin pie type thing rather than like if you actually just like take a spoonful of like this pumpkin puree, it's very bitter. It's very, I don't know, not very delicious. But once you add this and in combination with that, it really kind of elevates it to the next level. So don't skimp on that. Well, this is delicious. Yeah, so here's our pumpkin pie smoothie. We did it in a mason jar. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. So this is what it looks like. We got, oh. Well, this is delicious.